In manufacturing, precision and efficiency matter. The Scanbot Barcode Scanner SDK can be seamlessly integrated into any iOS or Android application. Every aspect of the SDK has been designed for easy, fast, and accurate scanning. Optimize your workflows and increase your productivity. Multi-scanning, AR overlay, scan and count, batch scanning. The Scanbot SDK is tailored for manufacturing professionals. It's the perfect tool for rapid, repetitive scanning. User experience is our top priority. The Scanbot SDK comes with a ready-to-use scanning interface. With just a few lines of code, you can transform smartphones and tablets into high-performance barcode scanners. The Barcode Scanner SDK gives you mobile scanning on a new level. Unlock fast, efficient, and cost-effective scanning with the Scanbot Barcode Scanner SDK. Scanbot SDK, precision and efficiency at your fingertips.